जो चीजें हम आज करेंगे. Let's quickly see what you will learn today. The first thing is we will review the steps in creating clients. जो हमने last session में चीजें की थी, and we discussed about the 6 steps. We'll review that. और पिछले सेशन में आपको मैंने जो एक्सरसाइज दी थी about connecting with people, and आज हम उसका जो next steps हैं, we'll go into that. So first we'll review those steps. Then I'll take you through this exercise about how to create your ideal client profile. And इसके लिए I want you to make sure that before we begin, you have a copy, a notebook, your computer, your laptop, whatever, and a pen. जिसके ऊपर so you can take notes. You will be going through this exercise. I'll take you through this exercise. So you make sure you have something to do the exercises on. Then we'll review the 3 key questions ये हम पहले discuss कर चुके हैं. इसको we'll be expanding on this today, and we'll talk about what questions really do. Okay, why are we asking questions? Okay, as coaches, why are we not giving advices to people? What do questions do really? Okay, and we will also review the cycle of life that we have discussed, and then आज we'll go into more about thinking. So हमने cycle of life पे जब आएंगे, you'll see कि उसका एक aspect जो है it's about thoughts and then like thinking. So we'll see what this thinking is, how thinking works, and how people think. And I'll be as simple as I possibly can, and just to give you some in-depth understanding of these things, how the thinking works, and how people create these stories with their thinking. We'll talk about that, and you will also learn about powerful questions, and again, powerful questions kya hote hain, and then how you can use powerful questions to create opportunity and to invite people.